I think you should think about Scrum as an accelerator of your business. It allows you to develop a product faster than you could previously. And when I say faster, I mean 4 to 8 times as fast, not 30% faster. It allows you to develop a better product because you're developing it in small iterations with the customer explicitly in mind. You're prioritizing the highest value features for the customer to get into their hands faster. And you actually have the option, because you're delivering in small increments, not to build the long tail of functionality that usually consumes a lot of the effort and energy, but delivers a relatively small portion of the value to the customer. So much higher value density in the product. And then finally, it allows you to do it with autonomous teams that tend to be happier because they're controlling their own destiny, they control the flow of work, they're not being bombarded from multiple directions by different stakeholders and asked to do things that are mutually exclusive. So that tends to improve staff retention and hiring, which boils down to a healthier employee pool and the ability to run your business more smoothly. So those are the 3 key value propositions that we often talk about in Scrum. We also think of Scrum as a built-in risk management system. So because you're developing incrementally, you get product out to customers and to the marketplace earlier. That has the effect of reducing the outright failure rate of projects by a factor of 3 from what it would be in traditional waterfall. The fact that you can also prioritize the backlog of work that you're working on to reduce risk earlier. For example, if there's a major hypothesis that our whole product strategy is based on, we're going to want to test that in some of our early releases so that we're not based on a theory, we're basing it on actual data that we can receive back from the marketplace. So the ability to actually prioritize by risk reduction also helps dramatically reduce both the technical and the market risk of new product delivery. And between those two, it just delivers massive outcome improvement. So more than 4 times the success rate of projects, and as I mentioned, less than 1/3 the rate of abject failure.